Number 24 of the YouTube challenge. And today I'd like to talk to you about the best way to get online reviews. Online reviews are critical to the success of your law firm. No question about it. Because rather than having you brag about your accomplishments, your settlements, and your verdicts, it's far more effective to have other people do the bragging for you. So what's the best way? Now there's a lot of software out there, BirdEye and others, that are designed to help you organize and manage online reviews. They're decent software. They're not worth the money, in my opinion. I spent about $3,000 for BirdEye, and what it really amounted to, they did give you a good place to organize all your reviews and catalog them, but really the work was up to you. If you were going to get to reviews, you had to go out there and get them. So I stopped doing it. And the best way I found to do it is, number one, to incentivize and get your staff to be involved in the process. So here you see the online review. This is our Google sheet here on the left for our law firm, and we have 103 reviews. Not bad, but we could do a lot better. And there's attorneys with 400, 500 that are really kicking. So not nearly good enough. But what we do is, and this was something passed along by Bill Umansky, the lawman, is every time that you have a good conversation with someone, it could be someone who just called your office for the first time with a new case, and even if you decline their case, if you give them value and you spend some time with them, ask them for, will they do an online review? Get them to commit verbally, yes, I'd be happy to. And then what you tell them is that you're going to send an email with a link to your Google page. All they have to do is click the link and press the box for write an online review, and they will be taken to your page, and it's right here, write a review. It's very simple. And when they write a review, it's all they have to do is fill out the stars and the information, and they're golden. They can even add a photograph here. Share the details about the experience. The more details they give, the better. You can even do this for them. So you could tell the client, would you commit to 5 minutes of time, and I will call you, and you, through a screen share, you can actually type down all the information that the client tells you, type it, and then with the screen share software, you can actually get connected to the laptop or desktop of your client, and through screen sharing, they're posting the online review through their IP address. Which, I mean, that's easy. You've done the work, you've typed it out, you've asked them to approve what you've typed it, and through a screen share, you're actually posting it on the IP address of the client. So you wouldn't want to post it through your computer's IP address. But that's a pretty simple way of doing it, just getting them to commit verbally to doing it, and most importantly, having it top of mind, not just for yourself, but for your staff, your intake specialists, your paralegals. Have them document every single time on a chalkboard in your office every time that they request an online review. And then have them also check every time they get a new online review. Make it a sort of a contest. Who gets the most online reviews? The first one with 10 gets a day off from work. So getting staff involved is critical. Giving them a template of a form email is also important, so they can simply copy-paste the template that has a link back to your Google review. And the other thing is, Google is really the best place to get reviews. That's where I focus pretty much all of our time and attention, because Google's the major search engine. Everybody sees that you've got 103 reviews, and they read them, and it really makes a big difference. So the last review, I had someone who came to my office who was asking for help about their career, and we had a really nice meeting. She wrote a really nice review. It was wonderful, and we're going to work together in the future. Online reviews have to be top of mind, not only for yourself, but for your staff every day. That is the best way of getting online reviews for your law firm. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.